Waddell, a GMI company. In this video, we will show you how to install the wall-mounted pallet wall. Begin the installation by checking the parts list. Verify that all parts and hardware are included with your mount set. Because of the wide variation of mounting surface construction, specific mounting hardware is not included. For the most secure mounting, we recommend using number 8 by 1 1/4 inch panhead wood screws fastened directly into wall studs. If wall studs cannot be hit, then you will require wall anchors. Please note, installing the pallet wall to the wall requires the assistance of one or more persons. Suspending the pallet wall will need to have a clearance of at least 3 inches from the ceiling to properly install the unit. The following tools are recommended for this installation. Step 1. Installing cleats on the pallet wall unit. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin step 1 by positioning the pallet wall upright. Next, align a cleat to the top slat of the unit. Push the cleat bar towards the pallet wall and place it with the pre-drilled holes on top. With the edge on top and the cleat carefully aligned, pre-drill pilot holes at the hole locations using a power drill with a 1/16 inch drill bit. A minimum of 3 holes per cleat are required. Next, secure the cleat to the unit using 3 panhead wood screws. Tighten the screws using a power drill with a Phillips head drill bit. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps for the remaining screws. Next, align the second cleat to the 8th lowest slat from the top. Repeat the previous steps and secure the cleat to the pallet wall unit. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Suspending the pallet wall. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin step 2 by locating the install template. Pre-drill a minimum of 6 holes into the aluminum cleats using a power drill with a 3/16 inch drill bit. We recommend spacing the holes to align with as many wall studs as possible. Repeat these steps for both the top and bottom cleat. Next, determine the desired height from the floor to the top of the unit, and using a pencil, scribe a level line on the wall at the chosen height. Measure down 1 1/4 inch from the line and scribe another level line. This is the mounting line. The top line should match the top of the unit, and the bottom mounting line should match the edge of the install template. Using assistance of another person, carefully align the top of the cleat template to the mounting line, as shown. Push the install template towards the wall and hold in place. Secure the cleat to the wall using a minimum of 5 panhead screws. Try to locate as many wall studs as possible to tighten the screws. To install the template, begin with the left outermost hole in the cleat. Tighten the screw using a power drill with a Phillips head drill bit. Before installing the remaining screws, use a hand level to ensure the install template remains balanced. Next, install the outermost right screw, followed by the middle screws. The center screws should be secured last. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps for the bottom lower cleat. As you make your way through securing each hole on the cleat, ensure that the cleat remains as leveled as possible to prevent misalignment. After all screws are secured, remove the wood spacers from the cleat faces. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the screws of the wood spacers and remove the wood spacers. The wood spacers can be discarded at this time. Finally, with the help of another person, carefully lift the pallet wall and hand it on the cleats. To properly hang the wall, lift the pallet wall up so that the back cleats can easily slide down and lock into place. Remember to maintain a 3-inch clearance between the wall and your ceiling. After securing the pallet wall, you may install the shelves. There are short and long shelves. Pick a spot on the pallet wall and slowly insert the shelves into place. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation of the wall-mounted pallet wall. Before using your pallet wall, ensure that all parts and hardware are properly secured in accordance with the owner's manual. Enjoy your new wall-mounted pallet wall. Brought to you by Waddell, a GMI company.